Matthew made that, and today I have Misty on.
Hello, how are you?
Misty has an Etsy shop called Bless Your Heart Stickers. And I wanted to talk to Misty about all things stickers and planners and all the good stuff.
Wonderful.
Okay, so, let's get started. How did you come up with the name Bless Your Heart Stickers?
Well, if you have ever been to the South, then you will know that you are told bless your heart about everything. From something good to it could be you've stubbed your toe when we say bless your heart. So it just it's one of the sayings that is so common here in Alabama. And so that's where I got that from.
Okay. Well, cool. And then how long have you been uh, doing Bless Your Heart stickers?
It's not even been a year yet.
Oh,
This is like my 8th month. And so, um, come October, let's see, what are we in? This is June.
yeah.
So in 4 months, we'll have a year. And so, yeah, it's not been long. We're new.
Nice. Okay, I didn't know that. Well, cool. Let's check it out. So here is the home screen for your
Yes.
Etsy shop. And I'm gonna swap you there. Okay, so your little logo, you mentioned that your logo has Matilda the chicken.
Yes.
Did you draw her?
No, I didn't. I have a very good friend. She is another sticker shop owner called Dawn. Her name is Dawn, and she owns Cocoa and Fluff on Etsy also. But she has been just somebody that has mentored me and helping me get started. And I told her, I said, Miss Dawn, I can't draw. She said, honey, that's fine. What do you want a picture of? I said, a chicken with the bless your heart, also that being southern, then I bring in the chicken, which backyard chicken is southern too. Around here, they're everywhere, and so then you have, sorry Matilda, but we have deep fried chicken in the south, and so those just all merged together in my mind when I started thinking of southern things. When you think of the south, we even deep fry Twinkies, so I mean everything gets put in grease around here, so that's where she came from. Miss Dawn drew her for me.
Oh, cool. Well, and it's nice that Dawn has a sticker shop too, but yet she mentors you because there's room for everybody. She's not worried
Yes.
about competition. She wants to help.
No, no, she is so gracious. This is a free shout out to Miss Dawn for all she's done for me.
Nice. I'll put the link for Dawn's shop in the
Yes,
description too. So we like shout outs on this channel.
good.
So here is a picture of just one row of the stickers
Mhm.
you offer, and there's all the categories on the left. So how do you actually make your stickers?
First off, I just started looking at all, like in Etsy, all the different sticker layouts that was being provided. And then first you got to decide on what planner you're using. So at the time, my very first stickers that I drew, I was in a weeks planner, like a Hobonichi Weeks, or you can get it from Amazon also. It's a lot cheaper. It's just thicker paper, so it's up to you and what you prefer. But I needed that in my hand so I could like measure the boxes and measure the space that I was gonna be creating. Silhouette is who I use to cut my stickers, so it comes with a program just like if you've been on Canva, you can draw boxes and stuff like that and then fill them. Silhouette provides that option too, just all in one spot with Silhouette.
Oh,
But then I search for clip arts, or I see the drawing, I'm like, oh, that is so cute. Well, then I make sure it's been given permission to be used commercially, and then we go from there.
okay. So is Silhouette kind of like a Cricut?
It is.
Okay. And then you buy special paper?
Yes, I just started with paper from Amazon, just sticker paper. Some people like removable, some people like their stickers on clear, especially their numbers, because a lot of people decorate their days of the week. And so if you get a sticker that is got color to it, you're going to cover up some of the design. So a lot of people like clear numbers.
Okay. I've learned a lot about planner setup and everything through
Right.
our mutual friend. Misty and I both know Helen.
Yes. I love me some Helen.
Shout out to Helen.
Yes,
And
she's a good one too.
she is. I've learned a lot from her, so I realize there's still a lot to learn.
I received my first Hobonichi cousin ever, but I've heard about it, but I've never held one in my hand. So I was excited because I've made my first 5 Hobonichi kits now. I'm so excited. And that was one of the ones that you had pulled up. It's one of the most new kits I've had.
Those are the ones that people want, either the Hobonichi Weeks kits or the Cousins. Is that
Yes, very popular.
okay? Well, so Misty mentioned if she gets clip art, she makes sure that it's okay to use it for
Mhm.
commercial reasons or purposes. But she
Right.
also has a little ace up her sleeve, and that is
Yes.
Maddie.
Yes, that's my girl. Maddie is my daughter. She's 17. And I sent a picture to a good friend of mine. Her name is Jennifer, and she draws like this. She's also got an Etsy shop, and she draws. And I can't draw a straight line with a ruler. So I was like, Jennifer, if I send you a picture of Maddie, can you start drawing me some little girl icons that I can use that's exclusive to me? Where I can have them as my own. And she said, sure. So I sent her some family photos and she sent me back some Maddies.
Nice. So Jennifer
Yes.
illustrates Maddie for you, and she's
Yes.
a character that you have reoccurring in your sticker line.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. She was my miracle baby. She came preemie and 2 pounds, 14 ounces. So, yeah.
Aw. Yay. Oh,
Yes.
we love to
And
hear
I
about
answered a
miracles.
prayer.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, Misty has a YouTube channel. Here is the cover page for it. So happy planning with Misty. Let's pull up one of the offerings. So here is
Oh,
a screenshot of some of the videos and things. And this is my big question for Misty is one of your videos was titled this, B6
yes.
Stay Lodge
Scholarly. Hmm.
Stology.
Yes.
PWM setup of the month of May. Okay, so I understand
Yeah.
what setup of the month of May means, but what does the rest mean?
Okay, B6 is a size. So they have A6 that's smaller. You've got a B6. You've got an A5, which is close to the cousin size. So B6 is actually telling you the size of the book you're holding, which is about a 5 by 7. That's what it ends up being. And they come in a half a month, or you can buy them a year. So it'll have 365 pages in it, but they're all grid pages or let's say graph pages. Yeah, they got the boxes, not the dots. And so then you can lay those pages out however you want to. Your cousin has a specific layout in the weeks. You know, it's got the 1.3 columns in it. Well, B6stology is just plain paper with your graphing on there so you can draw and have something to go by. The PWM is a plan with me. So I'm inviting them to watch a plan with me in my size planner of a B6stology, and it's setting up the month of May.
Okay, thank you. I was like,
You're
I don't know what
welcome.
any of this means.
Oh, I didn't either. So, yes. But I was so happy when I found the planning world. Seems like guys always have something to do. You know, they can fish, hunt. Well, I guess girls could too, but they seem to have little side things that they can do a lot quicker to me than women. And when I found the planner world, I was so excited.
Well, and like your YouTube channel, you've also connected with other planner friends,
Oh,
and again,
yes.
you've got that community going.
Yes, they like my sisters. They across the pond, some of them, but sisters nonetheless. Yes.
Yeah. Well, and also you share just like Helen does when she does her plan with me, she
Hmm.
shares and then you feel like you get to know the person, even though you're
Yes.
not talking face to face, it's like, "Oh, you had that happen," or "You had a graduation," or, whatever,
Right.
and you feel kinda connected and
You do, yes. When other YouTubers talk about their families, it means something to me, especially if something has happened or something stressful's coming up. I want to know how'd it go? Are y'all okay? What's the update? So yes, it's like a family.
so how many planners do you have?
I've got a lot of planners, but the ones that I use is a main three, which is my week. Then I've got my B6 Stology. That's like my first love. That's
Oh,
always there. That's beside my Bible. And then I've got a 7x9 that I actually got from Sweet Kawaii Design. Have you heard of Sweet Kawaii Design?
no.
Their Sweet Kawaii Design is a great sticker company also. Their stickers are vinyl, so theirs is not paper, theirs are vinyl, but theirs is removable.
Okay.
But that's my 3 main ones.
So what do you have for the future? We talked about today. This is June. So we're
Right.
looking at summer. Are you thinking ahead to fall or anything yet?
Oh, yes, I've already been looking at Halloween clip art and, like, colors, and I want to get to I mean, I'm small because I'm so new, but I'd like to get to a place where I need more than 1 silhouette to print and cut on. Have you seen some of the stickers that have foiling on them?
Right. Yeah,
Um,
like gold foil. I've seen those.
yes. Well, you have to have a certain type of printer to be able to do that foiling. I've got some stuff I need, but I don't have the printer part. And that's what the foiling sticks to is this certain type of printer. So there's that stuff. I'm putting back money to hopefully be able to buy that.
Okay. Nice. So you're always thinking
Yes.
ahead, planning ahead for the future.
Exactly. I feel though, like when I get on Instagram, especially, it is constantly showing you updates from everybody. So I stay at times, I have to get out of the headset because I'll beat myself up because I feel so behind, a lot of times because it's so many people have been doing it so many more years than I have and I'm still figuring everything out. I mean, it can mess with my thought process of you're behind, you're never going to catch up. But I guess that's with anybody, no matter what they do, if they've got their own business. But I'm excited for what stuff I can come up with. That's exciting.
Oh, good. Yeah, don't let it intimidate you and consider giving up. Nope, you just
No,
keep pressing on.
yes, yes,
And yeah, Misty brought up a good point too. She's got an Instagram page, so I'll put a link to
yes.
all of Misty's stuff in the description below. But give her a follow on Instagram because I really like your stories. You always have like little funny videos or something that you grab somewhere and it's usually like, "Oh yeah, I agree with that. Yep, that's
Yeah.
me."
Yes. I love to laugh. Sometimes I have to remind myself, Misty, you're in a place where you need to be a little more serious. And because I love cutting up. And so, yeah, when I get on a roll on Instagram, I just share and share and share all these neat and fun sayings that I find.
Yeah.
Yep, they make me smile.
They're good. They're good. Well, and whatever you're doing in the crafting community, because I like to make greeting cards too. So sometimes when I'm
Oh,
making a
yeah.
card, turn on one of Misty's YouTube videos and it feels like you're crafting along with a friend, and she's
Oh,
telling you
thank
about
you.
stuff. So yeah, it's fun. She
Yes.
keeps you company.
Yes. And I love talking, if you haven't figured that out yet. I love to chat. So don't be scared to email me, message me. Yeah, comment. I love that.
Yes, we always like comments on YouTube.
Yes.
So like, share, comment, even down below. We'll answer your questions if you've got any. But
Hmm.
yeah. Well,
Yeah.
good deal. I didn't know your business was so new, and so I'm
Yeah.
excited for you. I think this is a
Oh, me
great
too.
time.
Yes, me too.
Well, thanks for coming on, and I'd love to have you on again in a few months, and we could talk about where you're at then once your 1 year
Sure.
anniversary is passed.
Yes, I'll get that date for sure and get back with you.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you everybody for
Thank you,
watching.
Tina.
And thanks, Misty. Bye.
Bye bye.